Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable data personalization on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then tap on the home button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then go to the right side and click on this Your Profile button at the top. Then tap on Edit Profile next to the Share button. Then click on Privacy and Data on the left side. Scroll down to the Data Personalization section, and here you can turn on 4 of these options. Use sites you visit to improve the recommendations, so tap on this button. When it is without the checkmark icon, you can turn it on. Then you can use partner info to improve recommendations and ads. You can also use your activity to improve ads and share activity. When you are done with selecting these options, tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen in order to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.